making it easy for you to learn about email marketing. You need a strong understanding of email marketing to do it effectively. Your emails must reach your intended target and actually be read to be effective. Keep watching to find great advice. Make sure to email only people you know. Mailing messages to individuals with whom you are unacquainted will make you look like a spammer. They won't know who you are, and they won't care what you're selling. This ambiguity can lead to a deletion of the email, which is a loss of both the customer and time. Let your readers choose the layout of your content. Any messages with images, graphics and JavaScript is likely to get eaten by software filters and never seen by human eyes. Send out basic text or rich text format including a link to your website, and the option of an HTML version for those that want it. Your email marketing campaign will be more effective if you make it easy for customers to unsubscribe. This may seem paradoxical, but people will tend to trust you more if you make them feel as if they are in control. Post the unsubscribe link in an obvious place so they can find it easily. To get the best results from your email marketing campaign, test your messages thoroughly before you send them. Do not just type up a quick message and blast it out to your subscriber list without checking it carefully first. Preview it in different email programs and on different platforms to make sure it will display properly for everyone. The tips you just read constitute a simple guide to take an email marketing campaign from borderline spam to effective and profitable in no time. You can improve your bottom line more quickly with this solid advice on email marketing in any running campaign or future project that you have in mind. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.